Smart Boost function will charge the EV with a minimum kilowatt hours figure set by a time. Smart Boost is only available in Eco and Eco Plus modes. It is important to note that Smart Boost functions does not bring the battery to a certain state of charge. We are only aiming for a target kilowatt hours, as the zappi does not communicate to the car to understand the car's amount of charge. To program the Smart Boost, from the menu, you're going to go into main menu, down to charge settings, and Smart Boost. So once you're into your Smart Boost settings screen, you can see the hours that you'll be plugged in by, and you're also going to have the amount of energy that you're happy to put into the car. So press plus and you can enter the amount of hours that you want to put in, and press plus again to put in the amount of energy you want to put in. Once that's done, that's your Smart Boost set up.